Here the question, find the nature of roots 2x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. To know the roots, we have to know what is called discriminant. We know discriminant is b square minus 4ac. When the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots will be real, equal and rational. When discriminant is greater than 0 and a perfect square, the roots will be real, distinct and rational. And number 3, if it is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, then the roots will be real, distinct and irrational. And the number 4, if it is less than 0, the roots will be imaginary. And number 5, if it is greater or equal to 0, the roots will be simply real. To know the nature of roots, we have to understand what is the discriminant. So let us try to solve it. Here we have to compare with the standard quadratic equation. What is our standard quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here what is a? A means coefficient of x square and b is coefficient of x and c is constant term. So here a will be 2, b will be minus 5 and c is equal to 1. So we now find out the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. If we know the discriminant, then easily we can find out the nature of the roots. Here b square means minus 5 whole square and 4a means 2 and c is equal to 1. So this will be equal to 25 minus 8, 4 to the 8. So this is equal to 17, which is greater than 0. That means our discriminant here is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then what will be the nature of the roots? Since 17 is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, so the roots will be, what will be roots? Roots will be real, irrational and distinct. Hence the roots will be real, irrational and ununique. Thank you for watching.